Guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and today we bring two latest models for Honor for you. The left one is Honor Magic 4 Pro, and the right one is Honor 70 Pro. So both of them are a latest model, and the price is high end, and also they do good on the cameras. Both models. So first, I think I will make conclusion. I will make a comparison video about these two devices. We will talk about the appearance and the camera, of course the camera, the battery, the processor, the battery, the screen, and the other specifications that I think I should mention. So first, let's go to the appearance. So the left one is the Magic 4 Pro, and the right one is 70 Pro. As you can see, the left one is the Magic Pro, and it has the shining black cover, and it's a curved screen, and also the most attractive one is the big camera zone. It's a third camera zone here, and it have a triple camera design, a round triple camera design, and also with other two sensors here. So this circle camera zone design is inherited mostly from the Huawei, the previous mother company of Honor, and also the shining, the curved screen, and also the dual selfie, dual front, the big punch holes are the main features about on the design. And also the right one is the 70 Pro. It have the own design language from Honor. It's a 70 Pro, and I think it's mostly inherited from the 60 Pro, because before they used the two circles here, but this time they changed from the circle figures to the oval figure, so it's more unique and attractive on this camera zone part. And this time they have a mantle or surround around the camera zones. This make this part more high end. Also the back cover it's not shining. It's kind of frosted, and like the sand polished result on the back cover. It's not easy to left your fingerprint on it, but like the left mirror one, it's easy to left your fingerprint. You can see from this angle. So yes, so this is about the simple appearance. And also this one they use the curved screen, but this time they use the middle punch hole camera, not big punch hole, only single camera. This one they have the top sensor on here, like the shining one is the top sensor, and this one is only the single camera. So this is more simple and more symmetrical, more balanced on the front one. Both of them use the COF screen to acknowledge. So most of them got very narrow bezels. So as you can see, yes, this is front, this is back. So which one to prefer? So yes, this is about the appearance and design, and also about the size. And like the right one is 122 grams, and also this one is 215 grams. So this one actually is a bit more heavy than the right one. And also about the size, the screen size, the right one, the left one, the Magic 4 Pro is a bit. And about size, the left one, the Magic 4, is also the length is same. The length is very similar, but just a bit longer than the right one, but the depth is 8.8 mm, but the right one is only 8.18 mm. So this one is more a bit bigger than the right one. Also the screen, this one is 6.81 inch and this one is 6.78 inch. So from the weight and size, this one both looks almost same, but this one just a bit bigger than the right one. This is about the price, and then about the screen. I think the left one and the right one both are used the TPO screen, and both are OLEDs, and also the display resolution are high. The left one is a bit higher than the right one, but that's very similar. And like this one, the 2664, 1224, and this one 2652 and 1200. So very similar. Also both of them support 120 Hz refresh rate and LDR10 plus, and also both of them have the latest technology, the PWM adjust, light adjust is also support. All of them support the 1920 Hz high frequency. So both of them are very good screen they provide. And also for the camera one, I think there are some difference here. The left one is the Magic 4 Pro. It has the triple rear camera, and the right one also triple rear camera. Yeah, so both of them have the triple camera design, camera shooting system. But the left one, they have a 100 times zoom performance. This the right one only 30 times. So this is the one of the difference, and also the camera specification. Like this one, they have the 50 megapixel wide angle, 50 megapixel main camera, and also have a 12 megapixel. The 64 megapixel telegram. Also for this one, it have only 50 megapixel wide angle and 8 megapixel long lens, and also have the 50 megapixel main camera. So the main one, the 50 megapixel, this one is the IMX766, and this one is the IMX800. So this main one is the latest IMX800. Performs good than this one, the main camera, but on the periscope, the long lens, this one stand out for the front camera. And the left one is have a 12 megapixel 3D TOF camera, and also this one is 50 megapixel camera. So this one support TOF, so it's more safe, and also can work in low light to unlock the screen. But this one is 50 megapixel. The pixel is more it's much more than the left one. So both cameras are good, and also both of them are support EIS and OIS analytics system. So this is good on the camera. We can take a bit test on the zoom performance about these two devices later. Next is about the smartphone camera comparison test. The left one is Honor 70 Pro, and the right one is Magic 4 Pro. So the right one support 100 times zoom, and the left one supports only 30 times zoom. We can test. We can check details. So the right one gets more details and more zoom results. And for the selfie camera, the left one, the Magic 4 Pro, is support only 12 megapixel, and the right one, the Honor 70 Pro, is support 50 megapixel. So this one get better selfie cameras on pixels, so you can find So next we can talk about the battery. Both of them are support 100 watt very fast charging, and normally in 15 to 30 minutes you can charge it from 0% to 100%, so it's very fast. But this one, actually the battery is 100 mAh, much than this one. This one is 4,600 and this one is 4,500. So this one wins on the battery as well, is get much more battery capacity on this one. And also the other things I think I should compare is the processor, as I mentioned. So for the right one, this one they have the MediaTek processor, and for this one they have the Snapdragon processor. We can see finding here. The left one is Snapdragon Generation 1 processor, and the right one is Generation Dimensity 8000. So both are flagship processors. So it's very hard to tell which one is better, but both of them are performance good on the speed, on the running of these two devices, and also the RAM and ROM. You can choose the specifications also, because both of them are support LTDF5 and UF 3.1. So it's almost same on the RAM and ROM technology, on the RAM and ROM technology. This is also the things I think I should mention. And also the next is about the next things, the other things I think I should mention is very small difference on these two devices, like the UI, the Magic 4 Pro, this Magic UI 6 here, but the right one, the latest one, use the Magic UI 6.1. Yes, so they use the latest Magic UI, and also the motor of these two devices are different. The Magic 4 Pro, you have the X-axis motor, and the right one is the Z-axis motor. And so this is about the motor, and so this one gets very good and bad performance on the feedback from the motor, and also both of them are support the dual speaker, and these have a dual speak system, and also both of them are support the frame remote control here. So yes, so you can use to control the TV or the air conditioner. It's also, so these both of them are very useful. And also about the on the screen fingerprint, both of them are support the fingerprint. And as I mentioned, for the face unlock, this one, the Magic Pro support top camera sensor here, so this one don't have. So this one is 3D face unlock, and this one is 2D face unlock. And also the things is about the IP rate, and this one is support IP68, and also this one don't support the IP6 rate waterproof system on this device. And also the most advanced one on the Magic Pro is they have the independent GPU and independent safety chips on this model. Is more safe and more, the GPU efficiency is more higher than the right one. Of course, the price is much expensive than this one. So this is about a very simple and very quick comparison video on these two models. Actually, both of them are pretty good, and actually for the design, I prefer this one. But you know, this one, the technology and the specification is a bit higher than the right one on the camera part and on the chips part. So this one is more expensive. And this is very quick unboxing video, and I hope you like these videos. And if you like these models, you can also check the official website. And thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned and wait for more cool gadgets from here. And I will say bye bye. Let's see you next time.